Hi, here's how you measure for a corner cabinet for new doors. First, you want to determine your overlay. For this, we're going to use a 1/2 inch overlay. So the first thing you do for door number 1 is measure it from the inside corner to the inside frame, which we have 11 inches. Add your 1/2 inch to that, which is 11.5, and then you need to deduct the thickness of the door, which is 3/4 of an inch. And so at 11 inches plus the 1/2 inch, deduct the thickness of the door, your width is going to be 10 3/4. For the height, you're going to measure inside, top and bottom, which we have 27 inches. And then you're going to add a 1/2 inch to the bottom, 1/2 inch to the top, so you have 28 inches. You're going to do the exact same thing for door number 2. Again, just to review, inside corner to the inside face frame, add your overlay, 1/2 inch, and deduct the thickness of the door, which is 3/4 of an inch, so 10 3/4 wide and 28 inches high. Here's the formula.